So this is a 2010 Elantra car, and this is my daughter's car. And today she was trying to turn on the car, and so we came here. So she tried to turn it on, and the battery was dead. So I will buy a new battery, but for the emergency, I'm glad his slogan. I'm glad that we have this jump starter. This is from Lifmocer, and I will show you how to use it. Open the hood. All right, so we're going to put this. All right, it's safe. So what I can see from this battery is it was made in 2020, and today is August 2026. So I will show you how to use the jumper in this car and how good it works. So we're going to open everything with one hand. Lifmocer. So as you can see, these are very tough. It's almost the size of a hand, and we just need to connect it to positive and negative. So now that is there, we're going to get our module that is already, I used it last night and still with 96%. What we're going to do, this has a light, so you just keep it pushed, and now it's on. I mean, it's a day. You push it again and you have SOS, and then push it again and this flashing, and then off. So alright, so it's at 96%. We're going to connect it to the port where it belongs for the charge. This is only one way to put it, so it's perfect. Alright, I'm trying to do it with one hand. Alright, so it's there, and now it's green. Once it's green, we can go to the car and turn it on. Let's see. No problem at all. Now that the car has stopped, it's on. We remove the battery or the jump starter, and it's ready. Now our percentage went to 95, so we just lost 1% to turn on the car. So I think this is great. I really recommend it.